Welcome to 4498 Chase Oaks Drive in Heritage Oaks. This single-family home has 2,693 square feet with 3 bedrooms plus an office and 2.5 bathrooms, as well as this killer view. The patio has been recently rescreened and has a very nice-sized heated swimming pool. And did I mention the view? The home features very high ceilings, gorgeous travertine floors, and has been freshly painted throughout. It also has plantation shutters and an abundant amount of natural light. There are 2 walk-in closets in the master bedroom, and the master bathroom feels like a spa, with 2 vanities, a freestanding soaking tub, and a zero-entry shower that has both a handheld shower head as well as a rain shower head. The kitchen has been beautifully updated with luxury cabinetry, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances. As you can see, it opens up to the family room and the breakfast nook, which both open up to the pool area. The travertine floors extend throughout the common areas, and then you have this wall full of picture windows that provide stunning views of wildlife, water, and sunsets. Floor plan gives you the best of both worlds. It's both open and airy, but also has distinct spaces to give people the privacy that they'd like. The side-loading 3-car garage features an abundance of space and is big enough to house your cars, your golf cart, your carpentry projects, your water toys, and your bikes. In addition to loving the inside and outside of the house, as well as the view, you'll love the neighborhood. Heritage Oaks is a private gated community that offers golf, tennis, social opportunities, a beautiful clubhouse with fine and casual dining, walking and bike paths, as well as fitness classes and 5 heated swimming pools. Heritage Oaks is the perfect setting for those who want a country club lifestyle, enhanced by the natural beauty of 25 lakes and 3 wildlife preserves. Schedule your showing today.